It's been over 6 years since the devastation that was caused by Hurricane Katrina, and New Orleans is in the midst of the city's recovery. KitchensToGo was asked to provide support during the reconstruction of the Orleans Parish Sheriff's office, which was severely damaged and in need of a kitchen and laundry facility. With only 27 days to complete the project, KitchensToGo worked day and night with dedication to meet the strict time constraint.
We are here today to do a walkthrough of a relocatable kitchen complex that KitchensToGo has recently built and installed for the Orleans Parish Sheriff's office. This 3,000 square foot kitchen/laundry complex is set up to provide high volume food service for the Orleans Parish Sheriff's office and to also help them with their laundry requirements. This relocatable kitchen facility is made up of 3 modular units, 12 by 56 foot, put together to form one open span complex. The facility includes 1 dishwasher module, 1 prep module, and then a high production kitchen unit. Let's walk inside and take a look. We are now in the dishwasher module of our relocatable kitchen complex. This is really a dish machine production room. It's got a 24-foot long flight type dish machine. Right across from the dish machine, we've got a pulper, and next to the pulper we've got a scrap sink complete with a spray hose so they can bring in their dirty pans, scrap them out, hand them across the aisle and put them through the dishwasher machine. We are now in the prep module of our relocatable kitchen complex, and this facility is made up of a 12 by 56 foot clear span module, sits right next to the cook module, and is equipped with 2 stainless steel 2-compartment sinks to allow for plenty of prep space. Right next to the prep sinks you've got some stainless steel wire rack shelving, so it's really a great spot to prep your food and send it over to the kitchen. Let's take a look next door. We are now in the cook module of this KitchensToGo relocatable complex. This is really the production center of this facility. It's made up of 8 80-gallon steam kettles covered by 33 foot of exhaust hood with tempered makeup air and energy efficient lighting. Each one of these kettles is equipped with a water fill valve, draw valve, and tilt spout. Across the aisle here we have stainless steel work tables for production. We are now at the end of our production steam kettle line. Right next to this is our indoor cart wash area. This area is equipped with a spray hose, plenty of hot water to wash Cambro carriers and food carts. And this is the production area for the jail's laundry requirements. It's made up of 2 60-pound automatic washing machines, fully programmable, chemical injected in the rear, set up to meet the laundry requirements of the jail. Right next door to the washing machines we have 2 120-pound automatic dryers complete with lint drawers, full production for the jail population. Once the clothes are dry, they're then packaged up and taken back to the jail inmates. We are now in the loading dock area of this KitchensToGo relocatable kitchen complex, and as you can see, this is a busy part of this complex. All of the pots and pans come over from the jail by carrier, taken into the dishwasher room, washed, and then filled with food product. Once they're filled with food product, they're put into these Cambro carriers and then transported back over to the jail. One key design feature of this KitchensToGo relocatable kitchen complex is that it is truly relocatable. This entire complex of the laundry, the cold storage, loading dock, and kitchen area can be broken down in just 72 hours and completely removed from the site.
The way we came about getting KitchensToGo to assist with the sheriff's office is, of course, we had Hurricane Katrina come through in 2005, which destroyed our 52,000 square foot cook chill facility that was located just down the street. At that point, we had to decide how we were going to come back from such a disaster. So Sheriff Guzman joined with FEMA and is rebuilding the kitchen, which is just down the street now. But we needed something to tide us over until the new kitchen was completed, and that's where the temporary kitchens came into play.
This has been quite a journey. After Katrina, our kitchen, which had formerly served about 21,000 meals a day, was completely devastated. And of course, we came back gradually in terms of inmate population, and we're still less than half of what we had before. But originally, we had to have caterers bring the meal in, which was pretty expensive. And that's where KitchensToGo came in, because without the additional capacity and without being able to do the cleanup, we just couldn't make it. We would probably have to go back to the catering and back to really a lot of expenses that we just couldn't handle. So now with KitchensToGo, we have a portable kitchen that we can bring all of our pots and pans to, where we can do some of the major kettle cooking that we have, and we've been operating now for about 2 weeks, and it's working out pretty well.
Working in coordination with the OPSO leadership of Sheriff Marlon Gussman and Major James Beach, KitchensToGo was able to provide a kitchen that can prepare more than 9,000 meals per day and a laundry facility that can service 500 inmates. This key component of the Orleans Parish Sheriff's Office recovery was completed on schedule and will support the department for the next 18 months.